Yo guys, in today's video, we'll be doing a full review and on feed over the Air Jordan 1 Yellow Ochre, guys. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video, man. It's always greatly appreciated, man. We're going crazy 2024, and we happen to have an early pair. I actually had these in December last year, but so we got to bring it to 2024, given the fact that the Yellow Ochre released January the 13th, and they retail for 180 bucks. Kind of give you guys, a little upfront information about this Air Jordan 1, man. So if you guys are interested in them, man, please go ahead and comment down below. Put some fire emojis, put some trash emojis, see how everybody's feeling about the first Air Jordan 1 of 2024. Man, it feels awkward saying 2024. I gotta get that in my mind. It ain't 2023 no more, it's 2024, man. But if you guys are new here to the channel and you just now coming along, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please leave a huge like on today's video, man. The likes go a long way, and it shows YouTube you guys are actually enjoying the content, man. So first things first, man, I wanted to kind of, touch up on the box. And we got something different. Kind of got this sail off-white box with that yellow Nike branding all the way around this Air Jordan 1 box right here. Something different, They didn't upcharge this extra $10 for the box. They kept it true to that 180, and official colorway reads and size tag Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Yellow Ochre Black and Sail. And I got these in the size 8.5. Man, I usually don't wear 8.5, but it's the only thing the plug has, so I had to, get this little early content just for you guys, man. So please, like I said, hit the like button and go ahead and spam the comments down below. And you guys know every single drop, especially from Jordan Brand, they got something crazy over at OutRank Brand. So you can check out the tee right here. You have on the OutRank tee, and then when I show you guys the back, bro, let me show you out the back real quick. Check out the back of the tee, bro. Super dope graphics, and it goes perfect with these Air Jordan 1 Yellow Ochre releasing the next couple days. So when this collection does go live, I'm gonna be sure to, direct you guys over there over on IG, and always use my code DaVinci to save 10% off your entire order. They have some dope stuff over there right now on the site, and they have some new stuff lined up for the Vintage Squad. Hey, it's gonna be a good year as far as clothing and sneakers all 2024. I want to point out that these did come with extra set of laces. So right here, this is the extra set, the sail laces right here. They actually might be white. I kind of can't differentiate the two sometimes, kind of colorblind, but it kind of look more of just a plain white laces side of thing. But I do like the way it pops off of this, all over yellow Air Jordan 1. And of course, you got the black Nike swoosh, and you have those white hits on the midsole and on the toe box. So if you guys had to choose between the two separate laces with the black or the white, which one you rocking out with, man? Me personally, as soon as I seen, the white laces in these, I thought they were a go, and I really like how they pop, like I said. You got your Nike Air tab on the tongue, and then leading over to the Wings logo, you got that in black, and of course it coincides with the Nike swoosh going around these Yellow Ochre Air Jordan 1s. Kind of got some nice leather on these guys, I'm not gonna lie, so go ahead and check out the toe box of these Air Jordan 1s, and even checking out the side panels, you also get some nice decent leather. I'm gonna call it decent at that. And then the Nike swoosh is more of on the flat side of things as far as leather goes. You got your all Yellow Ochre Jordan 1 outsoles, and if that wasn't enough yellow, they even hit you with some yellow insoles with the black Nike Air in there. So I'm guessing the type of dye that they did use for this Air Jordan 1 is a little bit special. They even gave you a little tag right here to kind of help you with wearing your sneaker along with keeping up with the sneaker. I'm reading for you guys real quick. It says, please note the upper materials, nubuck leather, top color, and base color of the leather will pollute this shoe during manufacturing process, and the color will be brushed off after wearing, which is normal for this leather application. So I'm guessing the leather, the upper, that yellow area kind of brushes off and maybe fades away, because when I even checked out my Air Jordan 1 Yellow Ochre Best Hand in the Game pack, they also kind of faded away, for lack of better terms. I don't know if it's because I wore them a lot or just because that's how the yellow does tend to do over years. I'm gonna grab them real quick just to show y'all what I'm talking about. So bam, man, there you have it, the Air Jordan 1 Best Hand in the Game pack Yellow Ochres. Check them out. You guys can see, I believe I might have to go check back out, my earlier video I dropped back in 2018 when I copped these joints. But if I can remember correctly, these were a little bit brighter, just like you guys see with the Yellow Ochre Jordan 1s in 2024. But this one might fade away like these right here if this is the same type of, you know, material that he's talking about on his hang tag that he included with these Yellow Ochre Jordan 1s. All in all, man, not a bad sneaker at all. I ain't gonna cap you guys. Ain't nothing too crazy either. I definitely feel like this is something that's gonna go under the radar for a lot of people due to the fact that they waiting for the shot drop for the Air Jordan 4 Brand Reimagines, and they probably waiting for these restocks that Jordan Brand usually does in January. So you guys, like I said, comment down below. Let me know how you feel about these Yellow Ochre Jordan 1s releasing January the 13th, retailing for 180 smackaroos. I appreciate all of the support, man. Thank you guys for tapping into yet another video. Again, man, go crazy down below in the comment section and make sure you guys leave a huge like on today's video. It shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content, man. I appreciate all the support again. Thank y'all for tapping in. And with all that's being said, let's go ahead and throw these Yellow Ochre things straight on feet, man. Peace.
Wake up and bake up this year, jump out the crib, stack up my C-note this year, killing my ego this year, all for the people this year, only believe in the real, I do believe in no fear, and I got gang in this, I never switch on the tribe, I keep it all the way real, I'm in control of my feels, you see my highlights and study my reel, yeah. I'm showing more love this year, running more plays, finna scale up my business this year, the world in my palm, I'm a star, I deliver my cadence, I'm serving up chills to my peers, bringing the bread for the fam. Everything good on the side, everything coming together. New whip, no leash, no key in it, they heat it. California on the plate, I'm out here playing for keeping. I pull up, she leaking, she want me for the weekend. My foot on the gas with the brakes, hate me or love me, you see me. Flex, yes, I got my foot on their neck. I'm out with a squad to the death, get to the checks. Flex, yes, got nothing to lose, it's on the proof. Come from the trench, Cuban links on my neck, tanking, freeze, smoking on dope, that diesel, freeze, running till I miss my season, laid back, geeking, smoking on dope, that diesel, young get gone off the deep end, running till I miss my season, I keep a stack of them blessings, I'm ballin', I'm play callin', they chain on me matching my smile, you know that I stay saucing, I'm sorry, wrist flooded, she drowning. We good on the side, everything coming together. New whip, no leash, no key in it, they heat it. California on the plate, I'm out here playing for keeping. I pull up, she leaking, she want me for the weekend. My foot on the gas with the brakes, hate me or love me, you see me. Flex, yes, I got my foot on their neck. I'm out with a squad to the death, get to the checks. Flex, yes, got nothing to lose, it's on the proof. From the trench, Cuban links on my neck.